Hello guys, I would like to share with you my experience with monitor light bar. With the dream of being a streamer, I started scouting for products. Some I need and some are just good to have. I then encountered this monitor light bar. At first I bought it because it is good to have, however, right now it seems like this is a product I'm glad I have. Our work and lifestyle requires the majority of us to be in front of a computer screen for several hours. Such a taxing job. This means that if we use a general desktop to illuminate a monitor, the monitor screen will generate glare, which in turn affects the health of our eyes. Believe me, I know, I can't even drive without this sponge. It might be too late for my eyes to return to 2020, but maybe not for you. The best monitor light bars can brighten your workspace for easier reading without boosting the brightness of the screen, which can be taxing on your eye. Light bars usually don't take up much or any additional space on your desk. In the screen, I'll be showing you the cost in Amazon and eBay. If you're looking for a branded monitor light bar, it is best to look at Amazon because it has the cheapest branded available. And if you're looking for the cheapest alternative, you could look at eBay because it provides the cheapest available alternative. With pricing out of the way, I would like to specify that each monitoring light bar has a different use depending on your preference. If you are planning to enhance your gaming office or home office with items that can help you be more productive and better organize the space, I'll be listing the best monitor light bar for you. If you prefer a light bar with directed light, high-end field touch control, and compatible with both straight and curved screen, I would recommend Baseus Screen Light Bar. For relieving eye fatigue and ideal for individuals with lengthy on-screen reading sessions, then Quntis e-reading task lamp is for you. If you are particular with trusted brand, auto-dimming hue adjustment features, then BenQ ScreenBar is for you. Just be prepared to break the bank for this one because this is one of the most expensive light bar among the bunch. If you have a non-conventional computer monitor, then Wheel Dimmable Touch Light Bar is for you. This is one of the best for versatility and placement. The downside of this one is it doesn't have a connection to your monitor and you might have to charge the battery every now and then. Lastly, if you are a keen traveler and will often switch from laptop to public computer to personal computer, then Cyezcor desk lamp is for you. It is easy to unplug and take with you anywhere. Before that, I would appreciate your support for hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. I would love to hear from you guys and I will surely get back to you. And that's it for my monitor light bar review.